the south end of Bridgeport, which is where Seaside Park is. Used to be known as Little Liberia. Shout out to Connecticut Edition 6. You should read my article about this called Seaside Liberation. So that part of the city was known as Little Liberia meaning free land, because freed indigenous and black people were living there during chattel slavery, like when that was still happening in America, making America and Connecticut, making it an Underground Railroad destination. So people who were like escaping on the Underground Railroad, they might from different areas seek passage by like using canoes in the night to like get to that part of the city, or just, you know, there's so many different Underground Railroad like avenues and like checkpoints throughout this the state, really. Yeah. That like that type of history is kind of lost. People don't hear about that. All my years living in Bridgeport, no one told me any of that history, which is a problem in my opinion. But on top of that, like in terms of like engaging with the area, again, there was a Seaside, there was a Bridgeport, there was a Connecticut before gas plants and incinerators were placed in these black areas, or before black people were also forced into those areas via redlining. So people were living off the land, people were living off the sea, you know? They were prospering, they were thriving naturally and in community. And like that's lost. And I feel like when that history is erased, you lose sight of really reality. Like you're losing parts of truth. But also I think it limits your frame of mind in terms of what can be. So I think, you know, it's not to look back and be like, oh man, look at that utopia, we need to return to that. No, that doesn't make sense, because that would mean returning to chattel slavery, you know what I mean? But it means like reimagining what the future could be, right? Understanding that there was something before this, therefore there can be something after it. Right. So like that's super important to me about honoring history, Black history.